3 months ago, Jack Lee had no idea AI would change his taxes and his bank account forever. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how everyday freelancers are using AI tax tools in 2026 to save thousands legally, and why your accountant might never mention it. First, let's rewind. -0, 30 meet Jack the freelancer's frustration. Jack Lee is 29, living in Chicago, working gigs on Upwork and Fiverr. Like 31 million other American freelancers in 2026, he's got income coming from everywhere and tax headaches to match. Every year, Jack pays roughly $11,000 in federal and state taxes. Last year, his old school accountant shrugged off Jack's expenses, remote work tools, AI subscriptions, even his home office, as probably not worth the audit risk.
What Jack didn't know, he was leaving money on the table. Jack was tired of feeling ripped off. But honestly, he was more scared of an audit than missing a couple bucks. He wondered, is there a way to be aggressive but still safe? But then -200 discovery, the audit nightmare, a routine IRS notice arrived. It turned out to be nothing. The scare sent Jack down a YouTube rabbit hole, searching how to lower freelance tax bill 2026. That's when Jack discovered something wild. New AI-powered tax platforms like ZenDeduct, TaxGenie, and Deductify aren't just for big businesses anymore. These AI scan all your expenses, link to your bank, and actually flag deductions that most accountants skip. Stuff like home internet, prorated for work, AI tool subscriptions, all legit, all documented, even Uber rides to client meetings. Jack couldn't believe his eyes. On his first AI scan, the tool ID'd over $7,800 in missed deductions just last year. Was it too good to be true? -400, the AI solution no one talks about. Jack didn't trust AI to do his taxes sold. Neither did his accountant, who flat out refused to use any tax app over their spreadsheet. So Jack did what any 2026 millennial would. He tested multiple AI tax apps side by side, while getting human advice. The winner, ZenDeduct, used GPT-6 level language parsing to scan every bank transaction, auto-classify receipts from Gmail, and build a bulletproof deduction file ready for the IRS. But the app did more. It recommended tax loss harvesting for Jack's tiny Robinhood crypto portfolio, saving another $730 by selling the losers and rebuying. It found 2 more things Jack never expected. Appreciation on his work laptop, now 60% deductible, partial credit for education. YouTube Premium, used to study ad copy between deductions and smart asset moves. Jack's new estimated taxes, down $4,370 in 1 year. But here's where it gets interesting. -600, the turning point, how much Jack saved. Jack's accountant reviewed the AI file. Had 0 pushback. Why? Every deduction was linked to an IRS code and a digital receipt. Even the audit scare was a non-event. Jack now had proof for everything. Jack paid $19/month for ZenDeduct Pro. Total time spent 2 Saturday afternoons. Savings over $4,000. ROI off the chart. But the real surprise is coming. Most of Jack's friends still don't know these AI tools exist. Neither do most accountants. Why? Incentive problem. Accountants bill by hour. AI automation would cost them money. Conservative advice. Most CPAs hate risk, period. Jack started showing friends. In weeks, 3 saved over $2,000 each, even on small side hustle. -700 lessons, and what's next for 2026? Here's what we learned. AI tax apps in 2026 are not just TurboTax 2. 0, they're optimization engines. They dig deeper, update faster, and prove your claim with receipts and IRS code. Barrier, trust. Plus most accountants' reluctance to switch. Jack's advice, don't fire your accountant. Use AI together. Cross-check. Compare, the proof is in the numbers. Here's the actionable step, not financial advice, but for anyone with side hustles, missed deductions, or freelance income.
This could mean thousands in your pocket, legally. But what happened next changed everything. Jack started consulting part-time, helping creators set up AI tax bots. That's a whole new hustle, but that's for another episode. -800, want more AI income hacks? Subscribe here. So, ready to try out the AI tax trick your accountant won't tell you. Hit subscribe if you want more real AI side hustle win. And tap the next video where we test which AI budgeting tools actually increase your savings live. If you like this, watch our next breakdown. AI budgeting battle 2026 is best apps vs manual budgeting. We tried both. See which one actually grew our bank account. Disclaimer, not financial advice. Do your own research and consult a professional.